Perc set, you want one?
No.
Oh, you don't do Perc?
No, I don't personally. No. But
yeah, Perc, my motherfucking bag in there. I put 10 of them, pop Perc right quick. Look out. I'm itching right now.
Are you gonna make it? Or are you gonna be okay
for
it?
sure,
okay.
Man. Come on, I ain't no addict.
Okay.
Crazy.
Now,
DJ MRD.
Dude, what the fuck wrong with you, dude? Tell me why, nigga, God, we can't, dude.